When facing a problem, our default instinct is to add things. We throw in extra features, words, and formatting until the core idea is obscured. Modern digital writing is frequently buried under conversational filler and emojis, which mask a lack of clear information. We rely on structural crutches to sound insightful. We pad our descriptions using the rule of three: fast, secure, and reliable, or construct empty explanations that delay the actual point. These additions prioritize form over function. They do not create insight, they only create confusion and user exhaustion. The historical remedy to this bloat comes from industrial designer Dieter Rams. His operating framework is governed by a single strict maxim: weniger aber besser, less but better. Rams treats minimalism as a ruthless process of elimination, an active effort to strip away the unnecessary and uncover the functional core. Rams' first operational rule is utility first. It requires answering the core problem immediately. You must actively eliminate any text, code, or visual element that does not directly help the user achieve their goal. The second rule is restraint and neutrality. Rams treats design as a tool, never a companion. This requires strict discipline. You drop the introductory pleasantries and avoid adding decorative summaries at the end of your work. True design is entirely unobtrusive. It exists solely to serve the user's intent, without the creator demanding attention or simulating a relationship. Then comes absolute clarity. If a concept is complex, you break it down into its simplest moving parts without simplifying the logic. This pairs with honesty and precision. You do not overstate what a proposed solution can do. If a framework has limitations, you state them plainly. The rule of timelessness means avoiding the current hype cycle. Trendy jargon is banned, immediately replaced by basic, durable verbs. To maintain a clean output, you also restrict your syntax. You never start a sentence with filler transitions like additionally or furthermore. Treating accuracy and precision as paramount is a form of respect for the user's time. When you carve away all decorative and conversational fluff, the result is often jarring in its directness. People often assume that removing these unnecessary layers indicates a lack of effort. In reality, the most difficult execution of Rams' philosophy is the discipline of knowing exactly when to quit adding to a solution. The functional requirement is absolute. The generation of output must stop the exact fraction of a second the user's goal is met. The highest value design avoids the urge to entertain or overstate. By stripping away everything but the essential, the work prioritizes pure utility over the designer's presence.